Today we will be discussing about what I actually carry. Most carry methods that will be presented today are inspired by Calderon and made by me. Let's start with the belt. This one is a standard 511 belt with two hidden pouches that I sewed on. These are used to carry cash. Also, I have a belt cache which is wrapped around and that you can displace any way you want on the belt. I usually put it on the back. Inside we have some Kevlar cords, plastic cuff key and two micro cam lights. I also carry a fly cache, this one with a GTFO bracelet by Carl Oscar Delta. At the back I have a pouch for gloves and a cap lifter, but by Perrin. A knife, of course. A flashlight. A coin purse. A titanium cutting card by Mummert Knives. A tire slasher by Perrin. This one is carried inside the waistband at the front. And a Scapulario. This one is quite similar to MX Scapular, one designed by Sneak Reaper Industries, but this one is my design. It is a slim variant with a single pouch, Kevlar cord that is removable, a cuff key, and inside we have a striker insert by Mummert Knives with a drawing by Hori Mukade. And on the second pouch we have a 2FA authentication key, Victorinox tweezers, hairpin, etc.